One way to add tags is to manually add it to your subscribers. On your Manage Subscribers page, you can click on the hyperlink name of a subscriber, and in their profile, add a tag in the Tags section. You can also apply a tag to multiple subscribers through our bulk tagging tool on that Manage Subscribers page. Whenever you have a form on your landing page, you can also assign a tag to that form, so anybody filling out that form will automatically be assigned that tag. Once you have tagged subscribers, you can segment them into groups and then send targeted emails to those segments. You can also kick off campaigns by tags as well by selecting that as the campaign trigger. So go ahead, try this in your account today. If you don't have an Aweber account yet, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.